How to open Steam console. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the Steam console, and you can do all this in just about or under 5 minutes. So if you've ever wondered how to access the Steam console or why you might want to do so, you've come to the right place. First things first, if you have Steam running on your computer right now, then we're going to need to close it out completely. This means you should pause any downloads or in-game activities you're currently engaging in, because we need Steam completely shut down for this process to work. Alright, let's get started. Head up to the top right corner or the left corner of your screen where you'll see the Steam in the menu. Click on it and then click on Exit. This step is crucial because we need to make sure Steam isn't running in the background. While we work through this, if it doesn't close right away, make sure to check your system tray and exit from there as well, which will be in the bottom right. So go with your system tray and then just right click on it, go with exit. Now once you've confirmed that the Steam is closed, move on over to the desktop's taskbar. You should still see the Steam icon there. What you want to do is just right click on the task manager. Just click on the task manager and then go with the processes. And here, if you find Steam, then you just need simply right click on it and then just go and select end task. Once done, you need to search for Steam. Once you find your Steam, you need to just right click on your Steam icon. Now from the drop down menu that appears, you'll find the properties option. You need to click on properties and you'll get this kind of interface. You'll want to find the properties and then go ahead and click on it. In the properties window, you'll see a field labeled target. This is where the action happens. In the target field, you'll need to add a special command. After the existing text, add a space and then type dev space dash console, which looks like this. This little trick will allow you to access the console when you open Steam. After you've added that, make sure that you click OK to save these changes. It won't work if you don't save, so don't skip this step. With those changes applied, head back over to the Steam icon and double click on the Steam to open it again. Once it's up and running, look for the new console tab that appears. If everything was done correctly, you should now see a console tab available within your Steam client. And there you go. You've successfully unlocked the Steam console, where you can now input various commands to interact with Steam on a deeper level. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.